Everyone has a dominant eye, just like everyone has a dominant hand. It's just how we're wired. It's neurological. So just like when you pick up a pen and you want to write, I'm right-handed. You don't pick up a pen and start writing left-handed when you want. Well, maybe some people do because they're ambidextrous, but most people pick up the dominant hand. When you're pushing off to run, most people push off with their dominant foot. When the brain is picking one eye to see with, let's say the image coming in as the primary image in a situation where the image that the brain wants is needed. In other words, whether it's an emergency, like an emergency maneuver in a car or something coming at you, or you're aiming at something, the brain picks one eye to do this with. And that's the idea of dominance. So the eye dominance is just kind of like hand dominance, foot dominance, all these kinds of things. And some people, they can do it with both. They're ambidextrous with their eyes as well and don't have full eye dominance. But most people really are dominant with the hand that they actually, if they're right-handed, they're right eye dominant. There are people who are cross-dominant. We do get patients in here that are right-handed and left eye dominant, and it's just how you're neurologically wired.